Today I'm going to share with you these super squishies that I found online, and they are adorable. I love anything sweet. If you're new to our channel, Kimi Kitten, please click on the subscribe button. We are trying to reach 5,000 subscribers and we are very close. Let's get started. Let's start squishing those squishies. This first squishy is of this delicious and yummy looking strawberry cupcake. You're losing a few sprinkles. The whipped cream part is soft, but the strawberries are hard. This is super squishy. Here is the magnet. Oh my goodness, I am loving this. Anything sweet and yummy looking is my kind of treat. I actually would love to bite into it. Super cute and super squishy. I wish it had a little bit more sprinkles because it is kind of bare in some places, but nonetheless it is still very cute and I can definitely use it. So this is the yellow one. It looks like a roll. Oh, this looks really yummy. Maybe even more yummy than the strawberry one. Oh, look at all these tiny sprinkles. You guys see it? So small. Oopsie. The sprinkles are not soft at all, but this part is super squishy. Alright, have you seen anything more delicious than this? The chocolate goes all around, but not all the way through, it's just in the front. And it is very super duper squishy. And I like it. Our last squishy is of this chocolate. What do you call these? Chocolate rolls? Here's the last one. It's filled with white cream and one magnet on the bottom, and the chocolate looks really good. It looks so real. We can only eat this. I'm always thinking with my stomach. This looks delicious and I am starting to drool. I love this, very squishy and super adorable. Oh. How cool is that? They actually got stuck together because of the magnet. Which dessert is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. My favorite is this chocolate roll. It's super squishy and adorable and it looks very realistic. If you liked today's video, please give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in our next video. Bye bye!